How would Snorlax taste if it were real?
Wow.
Let's start with the belly. Huge, soft, probably slow roasted over time until the skin turns golden and crackles like perfect Thai pork belly. Underneath, a melt-in-your-mouth layer so tender it's like biting into a mochi stuffed with buttery fat. But we're not done. Take that crispy slice and dip it in Thai seafood sauce. Spicy, sour, garlicky. There we go. Crispy Snorlax belly with Thai seafood sauce. Eat this together. I promised you'd wake up from hibernation for this bite. Subscribe for more menu and comment for the next Pokemon you want to taste. How would Pikachu taste if it were real? Well, as a red panda chef, I think all that electric energy would make its meat slightly numbing and peppery, kind of like mala spice. And since Pikachu loves fresh berries, maybe its flavor has a hint of lemony tartness, too. Mixing all together, here we go. Mala Pikachu steak. Look yummy, right? And if you really want to know,